Hi everyone, Queena here. Now for those of you in Singapore, you are very well aware that Singapore is going to have our election coming very soon on 10th of July. And for people overseas, right, this just means the election to choose our ruling government or ruling party, and the fate will be decided on July 10th. Now, as everyone is normally, this is like the top news, trending news in every newspaper, every conversation, every radio, every TV, right? Now, so I think most people are having something called a digital eye strain. Are you experiencing that as well? Or even if you're not caught in this election fever, maybe you have, you are involved in a personal development journey or self-learning, self-growing journey where you're exposed to a lot of, learning from home, right? Learning from home, a lot of webinars, a lot of these courses online that you are a lot of time exposed to all this TV and the Blu-ray. And your computer screen and the Blu-ray. And of course, right, the other thing is, I believe many of us are also, even if you're not learning, we're on our iPhones, on our iPads, right, or our computer screen or Mac screen. And this really a lot of texting on our eyes, which is one of our very key organs, right? Now, I don't know about you. I mean, I felt that we are very blessed, most of us are very blessed to have eyes that can see, right, that can really experience the beauty in the world. Me myself, I experienced total blindness for about, I think it was half an hour, because I went to this dinner in the dark or dine in the dark, organized by the I think it was the Visually Impaired Association in Singapore, where healthy people with healthy eyesight, right, experience this total blindness, right, total darkness, total pitch dark for like half an hour, and you literally have to go through that without any eyesight, right, can't see, and you literally have to eat a meal, and then at the end of it, you then appreciate much more, or rather I appreciate much more how important eyesight is, right? Now, so with that said, today, that's why I want to, so as I was thinking about the election, I was thinking what recipes to share today, right, really. And I thought, something maybe, related to the eyes, because a lot of people are reading as well, right, apart from listening. So the eyes is really something that we really use too much of, and we don't give it enough rest that it deserves. So today's is not a soup, it's more of a herbal drink, yeah, and it has 4 ingredients. The first one is the ginkgo biloba. Because it has, if you eat too much of this, it's actually not good, it's actually toxic. But on the flip side, if you take the right amount, it's actually very good for your eyes as well. Why is it good for? It actually improves the blood flow to the back of your eyes, right? So it also improves the nerve cells, so less pressure. Second one is, many people familiar with a superfood, which is goji berries, right? The red superfruit. And this one, it really improves your eyesight, right? It has a lot of scientific proofs already, and it also prevents macula, which is degeneration, which is a very key muscle to hold up the eyes, right? So prevent that degeneration, and also help moisten the eyes to prevent dry eyes. The other one is chrysanthemum flower. Now this one is one of those very good herbs that is beneficial for the eyes, and of course anything else. One more herbs, which is honeysuckle flower or jininhua. What it does is actually it clears away the toxicity and clears away the heat. Sometimes, because as our eyes, we are exposed as well to a lot of toxic, yeah. So all these herbs, right, is good. Now, for people with children or people who don't like bitter drinks or even plain drinks, right, I don't think it's really bitter. It's more like bland, right? So if you're okay with that, then you don't need to add sugar. But if you have children at home or people with sweet tooth, then you do want to add in some sugar to make it more palatable, yeah. Now, with that said, so I really hope you enjoy this, right? I really hope you can try. So comment if you would like to have the recipe. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a clear vision, and you know your eyesight will be great. You have healthy eyes. Yeah, thank you so much.